Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude. I am teaching you GK Standard 4th. Okay, so we are started a similar sounding words chapter. Okay, so here it is called homophones, and so many words are there. Their pronunciation is same, but spellings are different. Even also their meanings are also different. So just say two. Okay, I will tell you the spelling TO2 and TOO2. See, I am looking to the picture, right? These two has different meaning, and I like mango and grapes too, right? TOO2, right? Then third word about two, TWO2. I have two pens. See here, three words are such. They have same pronunciation. Then say hole. Okay. There is a big hole in this new cloth. HOLE hole. Then the whole area belongs to mayor. This is WHOLE hole, right? Then we can say write. You have to write an essay. WRIT, write an essay. And this is my right hand. Right now those have same pronunciation, but spellings are different and their meanings are also different. So same here, here are some words which have same pronunciation but spellings and meanings are different. So let's study about it. Certain words sound similar but having different meanings. Use the clue in A and B and select the answer from the box below. The first one has done for you. See here, water that falls from the cloud in the form of separate drop. It is rain, right now? Then an emperor rule, rain. Okay. So what your papers, pencil, pens, etc. are collectively called stationary, right now, and not moving. It is just stable. It is not just simple moving is there. So it is also stationary, right? It is just like statue. Okay. The meaning, the money that you have to pay travels by bus, taxi, etc. It's a fare. That is the amount, right? And just fare, just simple, just a little bit. It is fare. Okay. To change, altar, and the holy table in church or temple, it is also called altar. Then sleep tightly, it is a dose, DOZ, dose, and a measure of medicine dose. We can say whenever you visit doctor, if you are ill, then they give the prescription, and when we go to the medical shop, he then he tell us how this dose has to come. In afternoon we have to take this two or three tablets, in the morning this one and this one. So it is called dose. Okay. Then being born, birth. Okay, what is your birth date right now? And a place to sleep in a train, it is also BERTH, birth. Okay. A mixture of flour and water, etc., that is made into bread. Okay, it is called duff. Regular mama has makes chapatis or rotis na, so that mixture of flour, water, and I think salt is also used. I have used, that's why I am saying. So it is duff, and a female deer is called dove. Then flow of water in a direction, it is called current, and a type of dried fruit like raisins is called also current, but spelling is different. See here, CURRENT, current, and it is also current but CURRANT, right? Next, a bending the head or body in forward. Just we say good morning sir, Jai Swaminarayan, you always say na. So it is bow. Then the main branch of a tree is called bough. Then big and important, great. Okay, we can say there is a big thing or important thing, then we use the word great. To rub something against the rough surface so as to break into small pieces is called grate. Okay, then have you understand this? Okay, so many words are there. You also can more than except these words we can find more than words those we have same pronunciation but meanings and spellings are different. Okay, so let's start our next chapter. Isn't it interesting? So this next chapter is about the science. Okay, this first two chapter is about the game and about the English language. Okay, but this chapter is little bit to science. Okay, science and us, what does it happens? So we can say science is the thinking about the regular things, or we can say daily routine or certain things, ordinary things are happened, and when we think about it, why it happens, why in such a way it happened, it is the way of scientifically thinking about it. Okay, why days and nights occurs, why winter season we get cold and in summer season we felt very thirsty or needed AC or fans and want to eat ice cream, then why rain falls, then we can say so many things are there. It happens with us, but when we think about why and how it happens, it is the way of thinking and it is called the scientific reasons. Okay, so here are some happenings are happen, or we can say simple experience are there, and we have to think about it. So why it happens? Okay, we have to think and find out why, find out for scientific manners reason. Get it? So I try my level best, but I don't say these are the correct answer, but it is nearly. Okay, so let's see. You will need 2 glass of water and a tablespoon of each of oil and orange squash. Pour the oil in the first glass and orange squash into others. What happened and why? Okay, you have to take 2 glasses, right? In both are full of water, right? And in the first jar you have to add, in the first glass we have to add the oil, and in the second glass you have to add the orange squash. So can anyone tell me what happened? This orange squash dissolve in water, but it does not happen with the oil. So it has the scientific reason. So can anyone tell me about it? The orange squash will dissolve in a glass of water, but the oil will float too. Squash are good mixture. That's why it is dissolved in water. But oil does not. So it stay at top. So why it happens? Can anyone tell me? As we know that everything around us is made up of tiny particles, it is called molecules. Okay, so oil is an hydrocarbon in liquid form. So molecule of oil are bigger than water. Okay, uh, therefore oil and water doesn't mix. That's why oil does not mix with water. It's just stay on the top of the water. Okay, second you can see in the picture also, a girl is standing. Okay, when the it is just morning, so see how the shadow of sun and girl and that tree. In the afternoon, see what happened with the shadow of the girl and tree. In the third, when there is evening, so what happens in about the shadows of girl and tree? There are three different situations. So why it happens?